angels, but they were in disguise. Took one look to realize. Tell them anything and they will sympathize. These arms hold me tight. Old fears help to ease them in my mind. New tears say that they will giant time. Why me? How'd I get this hallelujah? Hallelujah. Laughing together like our thoughts are harmonized. Been that way since 95. Give me direction when it is hard to find. 3 roads, 1 line. Now and then I can lean my back to yours, traveling like our feet don't touch the floor. Why me? How'd I get this hallelujah?
The cookies are chilling, and while that's happening, I came to take care of the cats that I'm watching over the holidays because my neighbors are gone, and give them their wet food and skip the litter box. So we're gonna do that. My face is so tan. My brother came upstairs and he's like, "What's wrong?" And I thought, he said, "What are you making?" And I said, "Cookies." And he goes, "No, your face." And I go, "Oh, my spray tan." He goes, "What?" And I go, "No, I just haven't washed it off." And he's like, "Are you sure? Like, it's not gonna look like that?" And I had to explain to him that I have been getting spray tans for the past 2 months, ever since homecoming, and he hasn't noticed. It's just because he had this, I haven't washed it off yet, because 8 hours.
I had a best friend, but she has come to pass. One I wish I could see it now. You always remind me that memories will last. These arms reach out. You were there to protect me like a shield.
You know when you get goldfish lodged in the back, you can't do it with your tongue or your cheek to get it out. You truly have to go like pry it out. Yeah. Hey guys. So a winter storm is a brewing right now. I have to go to work today. Not that I do have to from 4 to 8, but I said I would come in early because I make commission and it's almost Christmas, so it's the time to work. Yeah. But I will be taking my mom's car because hers is 4-wheel drive and it's supposed to get worse later in the day, so she's taking my car to work. I'm taking her car because my car is horrible in the snow and she's not going to be out when it's really bad. I will be, but we aren't going to cross paths where then we both can use her car because she's basically, yeah. Is a blizzard the same thing as a winter storm? I've never like called anything like a blizzard, but like we just kind of say like winter storm. Blizzard definition: a severe snowstorm with high winds and low visibility. Okay, so yeah, just like a severe winter storm. Then never mind, I have seen blizzards before. It sounds kind of cool when you say blizzards though instead of snowstorm. I am going to get ready, and then what will we be doing then? I forgot to finish like filming cookie making last night. We're gonna decorate them tonight because it's a whole process to make them. We were tired, we wanted to go to bed. We're decorating them tonight. I think tonight, it should be tonight. And yeah, but I'm gonna get ready, go take care of the cats, and I'm gonna do my online class because yes, I am on break, but I'm a month behind in my online class for school, so this is the time to catch up because when I get back from break right away, it's finals. So can't do that then. Should I do an everyday makeup routine? I don't think anybody cares about what my makeup is. But I kind of like talking, and I know I'm gonna cut all of this out of the vlog because that's gonna be like 10 minutes of me doing my makeup and explaining it though.
Kids get high in the basement sometimes and tell themselves not to watch the screens. It's the blood haunts me. I can't fall asleep 'cause it's ruthless. And don't tell me you're ruthless too.
Oh guys, also this is just like a fun little thing that I realized that's happening. So I've been getting like hand pain, and I thought it was like my joints right here or whatever. It's not my joints, it's my medial nerve. My mom informed me, because then I was talking about, okay, I get right here joints, but then almost in not a joint way, right here, you know when you do side plank in yoga, and so all the pressure is on your hand and it's like very like tense, and like I literally can't do it. Like I get like pains, like nerve type pains right here. She's like, that's your medial nerve. And I'm like, okay, then like, and she's like, and then she's like, and it goes right here, so that's probably why you get pain right here. It's not from yoga. It's not like go to yoga all the time. I sleep, how do I explain it? I sleep with my arm like this curled into my body, and my other arm, my other hand like this, which is tons of pressure on your medial nerves. And I've slept that way my whole entire life. And I'm like probably developing carpal tunnel syndrome is what's happening, because I'm starting to get pains even when I'm not doing anything in here. And then my mom said that you can lose like feeling and motor function in your 3 fingers. And so she's ordering me, we figured this out last night. I don't know why I haven't asked my mom sooner, because her job literally is like involved with like lots of the shit that goes on in your hands. She's an occupational therapist and stuff. And she's she like did extra stuff where she isn't anymore because she never got a job for it. I don't know why, but a certified hand therapist, like hand occupational therapist. So I don't know why I didn't ask her sooner, because it's literally my fucking hands and she would know what's wrong. But she found this one from, I don't know, her work supplies, but it's really old. And I don't know, she only has one hand, it's the right one, but she's gonna order me them, and I'm gonna have to sleep with hand splints if I don't want to like exacerbate the problem and get carpal tunnel syndrome, because for whatever reason I like to sleep like this, like so. It's just lovely, 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 lovely. Oh no, my camera's dying. I thought it was charged. What the fuck? To work now, and it's so fucking cold in the car.
Starting to fly.
Why?
See how the hands go, waving goodbye.
Oh, and
No, I get so forgetful when I look in your eyes. Now she's walking backwards through the parade, and I'm stuck in the shadows.
good boy, good boy. Come on.
Blocking
Oh,
my
good boy.
shade.
No, make it pretty. Yeah, why don't you decorate a couple cookies? Decorate one. You can't eat them all. Okay. You have to, the amount you put in is the amount you get out.
You can't eat them all and not separate them.
So she's always in bed. Flowers for the sick and dead. She's on the go. Way too fast and way too slow. She'll turn the stone with hospitals and
My slippers? Are you looking at my slippers, Teddy?
somebody sighs who is not in disguise anymore.
You're looking at me.
There's nothing to keep you from falling in love.
I didn't catch that.
It starts at the bottom.
I didn't see that. Ah, I missed it again.
Like pieces of a puzzle, like a hand in a glove.
Hi guys, my room is a little bit messy. That's okay. It is Christmas Eve. 'Twas the night before Christmas. I don't know why I just said that. It's Christmas Eve. Tonight we are getting Chinese for takeout. And I need to wrap presents or like put presents in bags, whatever. One of the two. And we're gonna make a gingerbread house, I believe. I just got back from work a little bit ago. I did so good in work today. For reference, I make commissions, so I sold a lot, which is always good when you make commission. Yeah, I kind of just need to, I'm gonna clean my room, I'm gonna wrap presents, and then, yeah, basically. So let's get going with that then. Okay, guys. Oh no, this bag is coming apart. I don't know how to fix that. Should I staple it?
Looking far away, looking for the great escape.
Gift card, Hot Wheels gift card, because they did not have any other, they had a Barbie gift card and a Hot Wheels gift card. So, and I know he likes Hot Wheels more than Barbies, so we went with the Hot Wheels gift card. And then some beef jerky, because he eats like, a lot of it. My mom will buy it, and he actually just, what was I gonna say, he just eats it all. Kind of annoying, but like, now you have your own. Okay. The bad thing about being older is you're paying for, I mean, I've paid for my siblings' gifts for a long time, since middle school. It's just, anyways. But I like giving gifts, so it's, I like it. I like it. I like it. Come on. This is my sister's gift. It's a sloth, because everybody says she looks like a sloth, so. It's opening again. Oh no, it just opened on the other side. More staples. I don't have any other bag that's this big, so it's staples. Otherwise I would use it. This bag is probably like 20 years old. Because what are you doing if you aren't reusing gift bags? They just get passed around to family members and friends. And then sometimes the funny part about bags is when they get passed back to you and you're the person who gave the bag. And he goes, or she, towels on top to give it some height, because the tissue paper needs to sit on top so it's coming out of the bag. Claire's present, right here. Noah's present, right here. I'm all done. And I already did my mom's present. It's a gift card to go get her nails done. It's a gift. So, yay!
Looking for the great escape.
I don't know.
On a bad day. Looking for the
There's mine there.
great escape.
That's right here. Oh, there's more gifts. Mommy, put more under.
Today.
I got Mommy's this earlier this week. I want to know what your gift is. Because I have no idea what it could be. And if you spent that much money on it, too.
Something that you'll probably be like, oh, once you get it.
I'll be like, oh?
Like,
How have I asked
oh.
for it?
You'll see.
What is it? I don't understand,
It
though.
doesn't, so you'll see.
I don't really talk about things I want to you.
Hi, why are you acting weird, Teddy? You don't get any more gifts. You've had a lot. I almost got you more gifts. And I'm like, no, Claire, restrain.
Yeah, and you had an advent calendar the whole entire month, too.
Can you hold him? He's acting scared. Flying at me and looking at my side.
Here, I told ya. You need to be held by people. I do too. We can watch like a Christmas movie tonight. Skip, Bubba. Oh, did you get a tug-of-war? Did you get a tug-of-war toy? It is big, it needed that bag. But I just wanted the tissue paper to stand up. I got you a sloth.
Because I had this Jordan, Chase, Stella, what is,
Kaden.
Lots of money. You like Christmas in here? A lottery ticket. And money. Why do you don't need to give me that much money?
he's playing with a towel. With a towel? You gotta do the cards first.
Okay. Sally, hope your holidays are filled with fun. Get stoned and just drive. Where?
There.
That's actually kind of funny. Your ornament.
The artist is named Bailey Mills.
Oh, and do they have a letter for our name?
Yeah, you should hear this.
Oh,
She is at the Madison Art Fair, but then I ordered this online.
I want my mom to read me a Christmas book before I go to bed. I'm taking off my makeup and then I'll be going to bed because Santa's coming. What is it? What is it in the Elf when he's like, Santa's coming, 5 o'clock, bright and early in the morning. Makeup off, wash face, brush teeth, and it's bedtime because Santa's coming to town. It's Christmas morning and we're gonna go look at presents. Oh my god, yay, Christmas morning.
Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him
nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and heaven and nature sing.
Saying goodbye to the Christmas pajamas. Ooh. And then I'm putting on my outfit for the day. Is what I'm doing. That's why I'm saying goodbye. I'm wearing these pants from Noon. I then have a cardigan from Banana Republic to put over this black, like, off the shoulder. I don't know, casual but cute. We're just, Christmas is just like our immediate family this year, so I don't need to wear anything like fancy. Not that we ever do, even if we're with our non-immediate family. We kind of just wear like jeans and a sweater. Like, not sweatpants or leggings, but yeah, essentially. I need to go shower my body because it feels so gross. So does my hair, but it's not wash day. I washed my hair yesterday morning, so I'm just gonna end up sticking it back, I think, instead. I don't know.
The glories of his righteousness and wonders of his love, 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 and wonders of.
First time home since Spain. See how it tastes.
I've already tasted it. Oh, yeah.
I like that. It's good home. Very thin
Everything
and
sure
kind.
that I thought, okay, well, we mind you.
No, it's good. Yeah, I actually like, some people like the white stuff. I don't really like, it doesn't have a lot of white, which I like. Yeah, I don't like the white.
A merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little
This one is though, because I actually have no idea.
Yuletide game. From now on, our troubles will be miles away.
Thank you, Mommy. That's smart.
Here we are, as in golden
Like a
days
video game. I didn't know which one you want. They only have Barbie and Hot Wheels. So you got Hot Wheels.
of your
Oh, in terms of the gift card?
Yeah.
That's funny.
faithful friends who are dear to us.
Thank you. Happiness
Gather
and
near
stuff.
to us
Thank you very much.
You would like that.
once more.
Are you sneezing?
Yeah, depending on where you want to go. But it makes
All
you know what I mean? Like, good.
Thank you, Mommy.
the face aloud.
Because I don't know what it is. And so it has to be for both of us because part of it might be mine and part of it might be yours because I don't know. What? What does that mean? They're all supposed to be her early. But they were all packaged like this and so I just put them in this bag. What are they?
I don't remember.
You don't remember what they are?
No, we bought them.
That's kind of a funny idea.
So then I just put them
So you just don't remember what they are? I know what one of them is, and we each have one.
I don't remember what they could be. Rings! Those cool rings.
Glass rings, I think, is one of them.
Okay, let's see. Did you get
I
that
think
one?
I picked that one.
And then I
picked
got
that
this one. Ooh. I'm happy with the color I got still. I like mine. Yours is so cool too. So what's the other stuff?
You don't know?
This is like a true mystery.
I think I know what this is.
Yeah, I don't. Oh, it's the pen, it's the quill, it's the stuff to bring the wax into.
Oh, is that what it is? Oh, yeah, it is. I didn't even remember that. I didn't remember that. That's not what I thought it was.
It's for like the seal. Ooh! This one is from Florence. This one's from Venice. The rings are from Venice. Oh, this is so cute.
And there's something else.
Reminds me of the Monceau rings. Oh, this one's from Cinque Terre. That's cute. An ornament.
Like, I had those in mind.
And you just didn't remember what they
Well, I
were.
knew. I forgot about that. I was thinking it was a Christmas ornament, and then I kind of forgot about that.
Yeah,
The
but you
rings
knew
I
the
knew,
rings.
but I didn't know which
I
one
completely
was
forgot
the
that we
rings.
even got rings.
Yeah. So
I forgot about all this. This I remembered as I was like about to open it up because I could feel the shape of it, and I'm
Yeah.
like, oh, I remember I got
Yeah.
that.
no,
and-
I remembered these, but I didn't know which package.
And then
it
I
was.
didn't remember about this at all, and I
And then
did
everything
not
was-
remember about the rings at all.
And so then I didn't want to because they were packaged up so nicely. I didn't want to like undo them all to figure out what things were. So
Well, that was kind of a good surprise for you then too. You didn't know what I was gonna get, or you knew about the rings, but you didn't know about the other stuff either.